Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. If you want 5 free stocks, Webull is going to give you 5 free stocks. When you open a new Webull brokerage account, deposit 1 penny in that account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks valued up to $9,600. So after the video, I want you guys to go down to the description box of the video. Click on that Webull link, open up your account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. Well guys, in today's video, I want to talk to you about my top 5 investments that I'm considering buying while the stock market is on sale. Some of you have heard me say this before. You build your wealth when the stock market is on sale, when your favorite companies, your favorite ETFs, your favorite index funds, and your favorite cryptocurrencies are trading at a discount. See, we buy the dip. We also dollar cost average in over a long period of time. And while we do that, we start building our wealth through the stock market. See, the stock market is not about the present. The stock market is about the future. We take our present day dollars and we invest in companies. We invest in cryptocurrencies with the hope that those companies and those cryptocurrencies grow so that in the future, they'll be worth more than they are today. And in turn, our investment, our money is going to be worth more in the future than it is today. That's how we build wealth, or at least that's one of the ways we can build wealth. So I've been taking advantage of that strategy, guys, for over 20 years. I was 30 years old when I started investing in the stock market. Little bit of money over a long period of time with compounding effect of the stock market built my wealth. So I don't want you guys to think you got to be this know-it-all person when it comes to stock market investing. I think what you got to do is you got to just have the right mindset, a mindset of, you know something, I'm going to take a small amount of money and I'm going to consistently invest it over time in a proven wealth building industry like the stock market. And I think the stock market is an industry, right? I believe that. Some of you may disagree, but I believe the stock market is an industry full of companies, right? All types of companies, right? Big ones, middle-sized ones, and small ones, right? But if we invest in those companies and we invest in the right companies, what the stock market has told us over the last 100 years is that we can expect a 7 to 9% or 10% return on our money, which is not a bad deal, guys, right? That's a pretty dang on good deal when you think about what you're going to be getting by keeping your money at your local bank or credit union. I love banks and I love credit unions, but they're not going to build your wealth by you keeping your money in your money market account or your savings account, and God forbid, your checking account. So let's talk about these 5 investments that I'm going to be considering buying while the stock market is on sale. The first one is Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO. So VOO is an investment that has the top 500 companies in America in that investment or in that fund, right? The S&P 500 is an index, and the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF tracks the S&P 500 index. So those top 500 companies are well-known names, guys. We're talking about companies like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Walmart, Exxon, just to name a few, guys. So the top 500 companies in America are in VOO. And right now, VOO is currently trading at about $375 per share, which is trading at a discount if we look at what it was trading at back in December of 2021. So it definitely is on sale right now. Now, some of you might say, well, hey, I don't have $370 to buy one share of VOO. Well, you got good news today, guys, because with that Webull app, my link is down in the description box. With that Webull app, you can buy fractional shares. So if you want to buy VOO and you got $100, guess what? On the Webull app, you can buy a fractional share of VOO and then just continue to invest in it until you can build yourself up to a full share. So no problem there. Let's move on to number 2. And number 2 is going to be Tesla. I know you guys have heard me talk about Tesla, and the reason I talk about Tesla a lot is because I really like what Tesla is doing. See, Tesla, in my opinion, is a technology company that makes electric vehicles, but they make pretty dang on good electric vehicles, and they are the leader in the EV industry. And so if I'm going to invest in an individual company, an individual stock, then I want to invest in the leader in that particular industry. And in my opinion, Tesla is the leader. Also, I like Elon Musk. He's a young CEO who is very innovative. He's not afraid to take risks. He's not afraid to speak his mind. I just love what he stands for, and I think that's the culture of that company. And again, like I said, Tesla is the leader in the EV space, guys. There's nobody else out there, no other company out there can touch them, right? Plus, I think they got tremendous upside. Right now, they're a growth company. They're not paying a dividend, but if you see where they're going, they're growing fast. So they're a growth company, and I want to come along for that ride. Tesla right now, at least when I looked at it, was trading at around $900 a share, which is, again, not a cheap per share price to pay for a stock. But again, with the Webull app, you guys can buy a fractional share of Tesla. You got $100, $50, boom, on the Webull app, you can buy $50 worth of Tesla. You can buy $100 worth of Tesla. So don't be afraid to think about taking a chance on Tesla, guys. Like I said, electric vehicles is the future, right? That's what we're going to be driving in the future. So why not jump on the bandwagon now like I am? And again, guys, you got to make your own decision now. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just giving you what I'm doing. So Tesla, in my opinion, is the number 2 investment that I'm considering to buy while the stock market is on sale. Let's move into number 3, which is Bank of America. So Bank of America is what I call a value company. They've been around for a long time, right? They've been very profitable. They've grown exponentially over the last number of years, right? And Bank of America is one of the big 4. And what I mean by big 4 is they're one of the big 4 banks in America. Actually, they're the number 2 largest bank in America behind JP Chase. And I've been a long time investor in Bank of America. I just believe in financial services companies because I am a former 25-year banker. And you got to understand our economy and our financial system it revolves around these 4 large banks. In my opinion, guys, that's my opinion. You got JP Chase, Bank of America, Citibank, Wells Fargo. Those 4 banks are integral to our financial system in this country. And Bank of America is the 2nd largest one. Right now, Bank of America is paying about $37 a share, the last time I looked at it. And, you know, back in December, I believe it got up in the upper 40s. So right now, definitely on sale. And the nice thing about Bank of America that I've enjoyed over the years is it pays a good, solid dividend. So I think it's about 21 cents per share on a quarterly basis. So I have about 2,200 shares of Bank of America stock, and I'm probably getting around, you know, $550, $600 a quarter in a dividend. So, which is really, really nice for me. While I hold my money there, I'm getting a nice quarterly dividend, and that's pretty good, right? And I believe there's some upside to the stock, right? Like I said, back in December of 2021, it was in that mid to upper 40s. Right now it's trading at 37, bouncing down to 35. So I think it's a good value pick, good place to put money if you like financial services companies, and they're going to pay you a good, decent dividend. So number 4 and number 5 top investments for me are going to be cryptocurrencies. Now, you guys know I'm not a crypto guy. I never have been a crypto guy, and I will never consider myself a crypto guy. But if I can buy crypto with a low risk and a high reward, then I'm open to it. Just like I've been buying these last 2 investments that I'm going to tell you about are my top 5. These last 2 I've been buying quite a bit because they have low risk from an investment standpoint and high reward. Number 4, that's going to be Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that I buy on the Webull platform. Like I said, Webull is a very convenient way, guys, to buy all of these investments right on your smartphone with the tap of a button, right? So I buy Shiba Inu through Webull. And the reason I'm buying Shiba Inu is because it's extremely inexpensive to buy, right? But really big upside. Give you a quick example. I have 100 million Shiba Inu. Now, if that Shiba Inu gets to 1 penny, my 100 million Shiba Inu will be worth a value of about $1 million. So for me, high reward, low risk, because I've only invested about $2,000 in order to get that 100 million Shiba Inu. But if SHIB goes to 1 penny in the next, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, 36 months, which I'm holding it long term, then the upside potential on it, guys, I just couldn't pass up. So Shiba Inu is one of the cryptocurrencies that I'm buying because of that low risk, couple $1,000s. And again, guys, I know $2,000 is a lot of money, but it's relative. $2,000 is not that much money to me when I'm talking about an investment, right? It may be to you. So I'm not telling you to go buy Shiba Inu. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and why my psychology around why I'm taking the investment and buying the investment of Shiba Inu is because of the low cost, but the high reward. Because if that $2,000 I spent, which got me 100 million Shiba Inu, if SHIB goes to a penny, I'm going to make $1 million. So I got a $2,000 investment, potentially a $1 million payout. So I'll take that. Same thing with number 5, top investment, right, is going to be Dogecoin. Same premise, right? Now, Dogecoin is the last time I checked was around 13 cents per coin. And right now I'm consistently buying more and more Doge, right? The game plan with Doge is, can Doge get to $1, right? Can it get to $1? Can it get to $5? Can it get to $10 at some point in the distant future, right? I'm not talking about tomorrow, guys, on SHIB or Doge going to the moon. I'm talking about in the future. See, I just hold them because it was inexpensive to buy them. Like I said, I probably have right now in Doge, I probably got maybe $3,000 in Doge. So don't got a lot of money between Doge and Shiba, maybe $5,000 altogether. But the potential, though, is just so great that I had to take the chance. But again, risk versus reward. You have to figure out that equation for you and to figure out if it's right. But I also buy Doge coin on the Webull app. So all 5 investments I've talked about, guys, I buy on my Webull app, right? My Webull self-directed brokerage app. So that's why I'm telling you guys, if you're interested in having a convenient way to be able to buy these things and not be charged a commission, not be charged a monthly maintenance fee, consider Webull. Like I said, link down in the description box for that Webull offer. But there you go, guys. Those are my 5 investments, my 5 top investments that I'm going to be considering putting some money in because why? I believe the stock market right now is on sale. And I believe if we want to build wealth using the stock market, this is a great opportunity for us to start buying these companies, our favorite companies, buying our favorite ETFs, buying our favorite cryptocurrencies while they're on sale with the mindset that we're going to hold them long term, right? We're going to hold them 24, 36, 48, 60 months, right? Because that's where the wealth is going to be built at. And again, I'm not telling you guys to go buy any of these 5 top investments that I just mentioned. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. See, that's the thing about my channel. I want to tell you guys what I'm doing so that you know the moves that I'm making. But you got to figure out what the right moves are for you. Because, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing my opinion on investments. That's all I'm doing. You got to go out and do your own research, which I know you will. Well, all right, guys. Hey, drop me some comments. Let me know what you think about my top 5 investments that I'm going to be buying. What do you think about them? And then if you want to, tell me what you're going to be buying down in the comment section. Again, if you want those 5 free stocks from Webull, click on that link down in the description box. Open your new account. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.